0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 35. Discussion about accident.
Amir and Habib are traveling to Islamabad. On the way to Islamabad, they see a crowd. Then they both talk as follows.
Habib, why is it crowded here?
I think an accident has taken place.
Really?
Let's see.
Let's go and see. Oh my God.
Why are you so shocked, Amir?
Can't you see what the condition of the car is?
I do not think that anyone is injured in this accident.
Can't you really see that the injured man is in critical condition?
Yes, dude, you are right. His condition is critical. Hey, brother, call the ambulance.
Wait for just a second. I'll call the ambulance right now.
Amir, could you please see how many people have been injured?
I will just see. People in the car are not injured. Only the motorcyclist is injured.
Thank God no one else was injured.
Thank Allah.
Amir, how did this accident happen, dude? It is very dangerous.
Yes, I am also thinking the same, that this place is not accidental. Let us ask someone.
Now Habib talks now to a person.
Hello, bother. Can you please tell me how the accident occurred?
Hello, the accident occurred because the motorcyclist was at full speed, and he pressed the brake suddenly.
Do you know why he pressed the brake suddenly?
Brother, I do not know exactly, but I have heard people saying that he turned without giving any indication. And then suddenly a car came in front of him, and he had no other option, so he pressed braked.
Okay, thank you for giving me information, but tell me why no one called the ambulance.
What to say now, brother? Because no one wants to become a witness to this accident.
I am sorry to hear this. We should help a needy person. What if he has died?
Yes, you are right. I'm sorry that I did not help him, but I promise that I will always help a needy person on time.
Insha'Allah, I hope so.
Insha'Allah, brother. Thank you.
Welcome.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.